The reason that sickle cell anemia is so frequent in sub-Saharan Africa is because the allele makes a person partially resistant to malaria, which is endemic to the region. Now, if we move to another geography like North America, where there isn't a prevalence of malaria, we've now changed the selection pressure, and the sickle cell allele is diluted out over time so that it occurs at a much lower frequency. You recall from just a couple of exercises back that the homozygous sickle cell allele condition only happens about 1 in 5,000 people in North America, in the United States, whereas roughly 1 in 50 in certain parts of sub-Saharan Africa are affected by sickle cell anemia. This has everything to do with the heterozygote having an advantage in malaria-stricken Africa. So obviously understanding how and why certain alleles exist and cause traits in a population is a detailed adventure that requires a lot of investigation. There's actually a great website out there to help. It's called OMIM, or Online Mendelian Inheritance in Man. OMIM is a database that catalogs all the known diseases with a genetic component, and, when possible, links them to the relevant genes in the human genome and provides references for further research and tools for genomic analysis of a cataloged gene. You can see here the entry for sickle cell anemia, which has a very large page that has a huge description of the disease, tons of published research about it, and even gives a detailed description of the alleles that cause the various phenotypes. So we could pick any disease that you know that has a genetic component, like cystic fibrosis. And you can search and find information about the disease, as well as the genetic variations that are known to cause it. If you're curious about other diseases, you should check them out in the OMIM database. There will be a link to it in the instructor's notes of this page.